Hi, my name is Jeffrey Kistler, and welcome to the Perfect Putty Laboratory here at Kistler & Company. Today, I'm here to show you the ease of installing a Perfect Putty basket strainer. With the perfect amount of putty on the strainer already pre-installed, you'll have an ease of installation in a snap. Step one is to make sure that the hole is clean in the sink. So as you can see, we still have some putty in there, and let's just make sure that we clean this out so it's nice and smooth, and this way we'll be ready to install the strainer. Now it's time to remove the strainer from the box. As you can see, the strainer is hermetically sealed to keep the putty fresh so it never dries out. Now it's time to install the strainer into the sinkhole. Pick up the strainer and place it into the center of the sinkhole. While doing so, make sure you press down on all sides firmly to increase the seal. Now it's time to move below the sink. First, take the rubber gasket and install. Next, while holding the rubber gasket, take the friction ring and press it up against the rubber gasket. Finally, take the nut and screw it onto the base of the sink, sealing everything into place. Now, using a basin wrench, hold the strainer and tighten the nut. As you can see, using a Perfect Putty basket strainer, there is very little putty that is coming out. Just use an extra sponge, wipe away, and your Perfect Putty basket strainer installation is complete. So as you can see, the Perfect Putty basket strainer saves you time and money. At this point, you are now ready to install the rest of the tubular underneath the sink. We thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us here at Kistler & Company. Thanks.